Hey, what's up, you guys? So, for today, I am going to show you how to verify your YouTube account without phone number. Now, this is going to be interesting, so let's dive right in. So, first, let's open up YouTube and head on to YouTube Studio. Now, click on Settings, click on Channel, and click on Feature Eligibility. Now, here, standard feature is enabled. So if you want to enable intermediate features, by the way, this has more features. So if you want to enable this one, you can go ahead and click on verify phone number. Now, YouTube is going to ask you for your phone number, but if you don't want to provide your personal phone number, there is a workaround for this. Just go to freephonenum.com. So here you can choose between a US phone number and a Canada phone number. Now, let's try US phone number. And it is going to give you different options for your phone number. Now, you can choose which one you want to use. So for this example, let's go ahead and choose this one. Now, all you have to do is copy this number, look for the country you selected in YouTube, and paste the phone number here. And then click Get Code. Now, to receive the code, you just have to refresh this website every now and then, and you can choose the code that YouTube sent. Now, when you receive the code, all you have to do is copy the code and paste it back to YouTube. So, that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.